Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix an Android phone that won't hold a charge. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. For the past few weeks, my Android phone has been having battery life issues. Charging is slower than before, sometimes the battery level even drops while charging, and it drains very quickly. It only charges faster when I turn it off. Why can't my Android phone hold a charge? I need someone to help me. We understand you might be facing the same problems. If your Android phone isn't holding a charge when plugged in, don't panic. To help, we'll explain why and how to fix this issue. Cause 1. Charger issue. The solution is to use a different charger. An outdated, damaged, or worn-out charger can cause your Android phone to not hold a charge. Try using a different charger. If the problem persists, try the next method. Cause 2. Insufficient power supply. The solution is to try a different power source. If you're charging your phone using a computer, insufficient voltage from the computer might mislead you into thinking your Android phone battery isn't holding a charge. Try using a different power source, such as a wall outlet or power bank. If insufficient voltage is the cause, this should resolve the issue. Cause 3. Charging port problem or foreign object. The solution is to check the charging port. If there is foreign object inside the phone's charging port or the port itself is faulty, the Android phone can't keep a charge, problem will occur. Foreign objects prevent the phone from performing the normal charging process, or a port problem prevents the Android device from recognizing whether it is charging. Therefore, you must first check and clean the foreign object inside the port, and then try to see if it returns to normal. Cause 4. Software problem. The solution is to restart the device. When an Android phone has been used for a long time, some software problems may occur. If the Android phone is not staying on a charge due to software issues, restarting the phone can solve the problem. Restarting the phone will rerun the Android device's system and software to achieve optimal performance. Here are the steps to restart an Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears, then tap the restart icon or button. The Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off the Android phone, wait about 1 minute, and then turn it on again. If it is a software malfunction, restarting the phone can help fix the Android phone not holding a charge problem. Cause 5. Third-party app interference. The solution is to enter safe mode. Every user downloads various apps to their phone, such as social media apps, short video apps, and video apps. However, if one app malfunctions, causing it to consume most of the Android device's resources and resulting in the Android phone doesn't hold a charge error, you need to troubleshoot this issue by entering safe mode to check if the application is causing the problem. Safe mode will boot your Android phone without running any third-party apps. Next, let's try booting your Android phone into safe mode together. Turn off your Android phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button until recovery mode appears. In the menu options, use the volume buttons and power button to select safe mode. Your Android phone will then boot into safe mode. If the safe mode information is displayed at the bottom of the screen, and your Android phone functions normally in safe mode, then the problem of the phone battery's charge not lasting very long is caused by an application. To fix a cell phone battery that won't hold a charge, find the problematic application and delete it. After completion, press and hold the power button and click the Restart button to restart your phone back to normal mode. After restarting, check if your Android phone is back to normal. Cause 6. Battery has reached the end of its lifespan. The solution is to replace the battery. The worst case scenario is that the battery has reached the end of its lifespan, resulting in the Android phone battery draining while charging. In this case, you need to go to the brand's authorized service center to have a technician help you further check and fix the problem of the phone's battery not holding a charge. You can compare the cost of repair with the cost of buying a new phone before deciding which step to take. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone that won't hold a charge properly, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.